Gummy bear markets and red flag news. What's next for this week? The markets are bouncing like crazy up and down one day and up and down the next day, to be fair, multiple times in the same day. But now we've got this short-term range forming, making the potential setups a little bit clearer. So let's take a look at the charts. Stay tuned to the end for an interesting fun fact. Right then, folks, as we look at the charts today, we've got this consolidation area, got multiple touches of highs, multiple touches of lows. It's a little bit easier to see on the futures if we just flip over to that for a moment, where we've got a little bit more data, and again you can see that multiple touches of highs, multiple touches of lows over the last few days. So what this means is that we have a clear location where we've got a containment zone, and that offers up multiple scenarios, the usual 6 money making patterns, 4 of them specifically dealing with the range. The first one being we've got a range. You know, price is going to meander sideways until something new happens. The same thing's going to continue, and we've got those containment zones. The second scenario is a bullish scenario, the classic breakout pullback situation. And then thirdly, we've got the bearish scenario. Price could meander down again, same breakout pullback scenario. We've had multiple attempts at this, but with this new containment zone, we can just redefine the boundary levels. Looking over at ADD again on the bottom left, we can see that once again we're at this relative extreme high. So I'm leaning more towards the bear scenario for them, as there's more downside potential. It doesn't mean that price can't go up as we've seen in the past, but it just means that I'm leaning more towards the bear potential. The overnight futures are already pushing lower, so it's not really a huge stretch to see price gap down to the range low. And that might put us in neutral territory on ADD, in which case we could see price push higher, push lower, and that yo-yo price movement continues. So as frustrating as it may be, we're in a very much a hurry up and wait situation. My situation's the same from a trade point of view. I've got bull and bear trades on from an income point of view. I'm hedged. It doesn't really matter which way the market goes, as long as we see price eventually meander in one direction or the other. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that Sir Isaac Newton, one of the greatest minds in history, lost a fortune on the South Sea bubble of 1720? After initially making 100% profits on his investment, he jumped back in quite close to the peak of the bubble, only to lose the equivalent of millions in today's money when the bubble burst. Now, even the smartest people on earth can fall victim to FOMO, or the fear of missing out, and speculation. And Newton reportedly said that I can calculate the motions of the heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people. And it's a reminder that having a system and a process and rule-defined risk management is more important than intelligence alone in trading. If you're tired of looking at the charts all day and want to learn a proven profitable trading system similar to what I use, then click the link next to this video and you'll be taken to a free training where I outline one of my favorite money-making patterns. So click the link and I will see you over there.